One of the most underrated safety features in a Tesla is something you don't even notice until you need it. The cabin camera. It's watching you. Kinda creepy, but it literally saves lives by detecting driver drowsiness or distraction and alerting you in real time. Autopilot gets all the headlines, but let's talk about forward collision warning. It uses ultrasonic sensors and radar to warn if you're about to rear-end someone. It's prevented me from becoming a Reddit meme more than once while checking directions on my dash. There's also automatic emergency braking, and this one works frighteningly well. A deer jumped out on an empty road near Cannon Beach. My Tesla hit the brakes before I even processed what was happening. Saved me thousands, and definitely saved the deer's day. Tesla doesn't just protect you from what's in front, it looks around 360 degrees. Side collision warnings, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alerts. It's like you're driving with a team of invisible Navy SEALs constantly scanning for danger at every angle. One feature I didn't think I'd care about? The Sentry Mode. Until someone dented my old Civic in a parking lot and drove off. Tesla's cameras record everything when the car's off. Now I've got video receipts of squirrels, nosy neighbors, and yes, a woman trying my door handle. The over-the-air software updates might be the most game-changing thing Tesla ever did. Other cars get older and dumber. A Tesla becomes safer just parked in your driveway. One update increased stopping distances accuracy by 30%. It's like turning your car into a smarter pilot overnight. People always bring up fire risks with Teslas, probably because it's exciting and dramatic. But statistically speaking, Teslas catch fire 11 times less than gas cars. And in major collisions, the battery shuts off automatically to isolate high-voltage components. It's like the car self-destructs danger. The low center of gravity in Teslas doesn't sound like a safety feature at first, but it makes rollovers extremely rare. An NHTSA study found that the Model S had the lowest rollover risk of any car ever tested. That includes SUVs, trucks, and everything in between. Even seatbelts in a Tesla are smarter. Pretensioners fire milliseconds before an impact, thanks to data from the sensors, so you're already braced before the crash happens. I didn't know seatbelts could do that, but my ribs thanked me after a near miss on I-5. Driver profiles feel like a luxury thing, but when you're switching drivers often, like I do with my wife, it keeps seat and mirror positions personalized for vision and comfort. Fatigue and poor posture cause accidents too. Tesla knows that. They just hide the safety and convenience. One overlooked gem is the collision avoidance steering. Subtle, but powerful. If you drift too close to another vehicle, it will gently correct your course. Not jarring. Just like someone nudging your elbow when you're reaching for something hot. A tiny correction that avoids a big problem. And finally, if you're ever in a crash, the emergency response system kicks in automatically. It unlocks the doors, turns on hazards, and notifies first responders with GPS coordinates. That can shave whole minutes off response time. When it's a matter of life or death, it's everything.